Namaste children, welcome to English class. Children, I am very happy to tell that I told you to read that lesson and send its audio clip to me through WhatsApp, I said in my previous class. Really, you are all doing a good job, and some of your friends they have recorded their reading and sent it to my WhatsApp number. So, and others till now, those who are not sent your audio clip to my WhatsApp number, please send it as early as possible. And that in my previous class I explained to you that third lesson, Meena's letter. That explanation, it is over already. I hope you are all understood that. And if you have any doubts about your third lesson, so please you can call me and ask about your doubts. Then now I am going to explain to you exercise part of this third lesson. Please look at your screen, all of you. Yes, in the exercise part, first main, A main, tick the correct answers here it is. Meena's letter to her grandfather was about what? About what she wrote a letter to her grandfather. You write A, option A, how she made a new friend, about she wrote, or option B, her friend Gauri, about her friend Gauri she wrote letter, or option C, her grandfather's visit, about that she wrote a letter, or about IPL 2018. What it is? So, correct answer you have to take. Can you guess? Yes, the correct answer is option A. How she made a new friend, about that she wrote a letter to her grandfather. So, about that, how she made a new friend in her classroom, that about that she wrote a letter to her grandfather. Option A is the correct answer. Tick it in your textbook. Second one, the new girl came from which city? She has joined this new school, no, Meena's school. From which city she came to this city? Yes, can you guess? Here, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru. Yes, she came from Mumbai city. New girl came from Mumbai city. And which is the Meena's? Third one you can see. Meena lived in which city? Whether she was living in Kolkata or Hyderabad or Pune or Bengaluru, where she was living? Yes, Meena, she was living in, her grandfather told that, so I will come with your grandmother or Nani and we will bring sweets and all the things to which city? He told there, he quoted there. Yes, he quoted Bengaluru. Options D, Bengaluru. Meena lived in Bengaluru. It means our city is Bengaluru. Okay, option D. Fourth one. When Manu and Asim whispered and laughed, the new girl must have felt. Manu and Asim, they looked at that new girl's plates, Jade, I told you, no, they looked at her plates and they laughed. When they laughed, this girl, how she felt, that is the question here. How she felt, whether she felt shame or uncomfortable or pretty or proud or amused. That option A is pretty, option B is uncomfortable, option C is proud, option D is amused. Amused is nothing but happy. Okay, whether she enjoyed when they were laughing at her, was she happy? So you have to write answer for this. Tick answer, correct answer for this. Yes. Can you guess? Yes. When they looked at her and laughed, she felt uncomfortable. Option B is the correct answer. She felt uncomfortable. Next. Fifth one. Meena's friendly gesture. Gesture means how they looks or how she looks. Okay, how she looks, that is called as gesture or gesture. And by seeing her works and by seeing her behavior, what kind of girl she was? Can you tell? Whether she was tall girl, shy, it means she was getting lots of shy, or kind-hearted girl, or lonely girl, alone girl. What kind of girl she was? Can you guess? Not tall, not shy, not lonely. Correct answer is kind-hearted girl. She was kind-hearted girl. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, next answer these questions. B main. First question, what did Gauri think of the new girl? About new girl, Gauri, what she thought? So please, you can see here answer. That answer is here. See, what did Gauri think of the new girl? That question, for that question. Gauri thought about new girl that she looked proud and stuck up. It means she is having lots of proudness about herself. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಭಾಳ ಸೊಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಭಾಳ ಜಂಬ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊಕ್ಕು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಅವಳು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ಥಾಟ್, ಗೌರಿ ಥಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಅಪ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಶಿ ಥಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಗರ್ಲ್. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೋನ್ಲಿ? Lonely means alone. She was sad and alone, no? Why she looks like that? Then your answer is, the new girl looked sad because she did not know anyone in the class. She is the new girl for that classroom, no? So that is why she did not know anyone in the class. And also, nobody spoke to her. Those children who were sitting there in the classroom, they did not talk to this new girl. That is why she was sad and she felt sad and lonely. That is the answer. Then third question, why was Meena glad means happy. Why was Meena happy that she had spoken to the new girl? So Meena, when she was the first girl, she spoke to this new girl, no? So when she spoke to her, she became very glad. It means happy. Why? Because answer is, Meena was glad that she had spoken to the new girl, because she was the first girl in the class. Nobody spoke to that new girl till that time. So she is the first girl here. Meena is the first girl. She spoke to that new girl, and also when she spoke to her, she became happy. So she is the first girl, one who spoke to that new girl, and she made her happy. By seeing her happiness, she became happier. Okay, Meena became happy and she became glad. Glad means happy. That is the question answer here. Then let us go to the fourth one. Why had the new girl moved to Bengaluru? New girl, she came from Mumbai to Bengaluru. Why she came to Bengaluru? Okay, there should be something, no reason should be there, no? Yes, here your reason is, the new girl had moved to Bengaluru because her mother was working here. Okay, it means working in the Bengaluru city. She was working there in Bengaluru. That is why she came from Mumbai to Bengaluru. Maybe she transferred from Mumbai to Bengaluru, her mother. So along with her mother, she also moved to Bengaluru from Mumbai. Fifth one. Why did the two girls decide to call themselves the Meena duo? Duo means pair. Two means both they were called as Meena only. So why they were calling themselves as the Meena duo? Your answer is, the two girls decided to call themselves the Meena duo because both of them were called with the same name, Meena. She also called Meena, and that new girl also, she was called as Meena. So their full name was Ameena, but shortly all were calling her as Meena only. It means both were Meena only. That is why two means one pair, jote, two members together, one pair. That is why they were called always the Meena duo. Last one. What were Nanu and Nani making for Meena? What they were preparing for Meena? They planned to come to Bengaluru and meet Meena, Nana and Nani. So what they were preparing for her? So Nana and Nani were making different kinds of snacks and sweets for Meena. They were preparing different kinds of snacks and sweets for Meena. These are all the questions and answers of this lesson, children. So after this class, I will send these all the questions and answers to your WhatsApp group. So immediately you can see and write these all the questions and answers in your English CW. Okay, write in your English CW. Then let us go to the next main. Yes, C main. B main is over, na? C main. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Same, fill in the blanks. Same like tick the correct answers. It is. The new girl had dash a new bag, new ribbons, or a new name. What she had? She had a new bag. Option A is the correct answer. She had a new bag. Fill that correct answer in the blank. Second one. Monu and Asim dash each other and laughed, stared at, laughed at, whispered. What they did first before laughing, what they did? They looked at that new girl's plates and they spoke silently. It means in the little voice they speak to each other. Okay, they speak each other. Then after that they laughed. So it means whispered is the correct answer here. Talking in low voice. Whispering we are calling it. Talking in low voice. Manu and Asim, answer is this. Option C. Manu and Asim whispered to each other and laughed. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Third one. Gauri thought the new girl looked dash. Sad and lonely, or proud and stuck up, or sleepy and tired. What kind of girl she was according to Gauri's thinking? She was proud and stuck up. That first question and answer it is there, no? Gauri thought what did she think about that new girl like that it is there, no? That is the answer here. Same. Option B is the correct answer for this. Third, fill in the blank. Next one, fourth one. Meena thought the new girl looked dash. According to Gauri's thinking, she was proud and stuck up. According to Meena's thinking, what kind of girl she was? Sad and lonely, or proud and stuck up, or hungry and tired? Yes. Gauri thought that proud and stuck up, but Meena thought that she is sad and lonely. Okay, sad and lonely. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Then C main. D main it is discussed in class, it is there. Now you are not in the class, so that we cannot do it. Then come to this point. E main. E main, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. Here two options they are given. Already I underlined those answers. You can see Mrs. Bora is our dash. New principal or KNEW, new principal. Which is the correct spelling of new? So Vasa we are calling, no, Vasa principal. It means what? Which word is suitable or correct? It is NEW. New is the correct answer. NEW, not KNEW. Okay, this is correct answer. Fill here. Next, second one. The boys wanted to go for the picnic. Picnic, TWO2 or TOO2? Here girls already decided to go for picnic. Now boys also wanted to go for picnic too. Okay, the boys wanted to go for picnic too. TOO2, not TWO2. 2 means eradu. It is not 2. TOO2 it is. We need to write here that answer. TOO2. Next, I saw the book over dash on the table. Over there, THERE there or THEIR there. So correct word is THERE there. There on the table. I saw the book over there on the table. Fourth one. Who can read the poem? Dash, it means allowed or allowed. Allowed means allowing somebody to read. ALOUD, allowed means loudly. So answer is here, who can sing the poem or who can read the poem? Allowed means loudly. Answer is allowed only. ALOUD. Last one. Granny loves to dash children having fun by the dash. SEAC SEEC, seeing by our eyes, it is SEEC. SEAC means water body, one of the water body it is. So here to also we need to fill, sorry, SEE. SEE is the correct answer for this. C. Okay, granny loves to see children having fun by the SEACER. SEAC. Here you can write SEA, and upside you can write there SEEC. First blank SEE, second blank SEA. I hope I am clear about these two. Then F main. See, look at this. Circle the words that describe the qualities of a good friend. So just you discuss about good friend and what kind of good qualities to be there for the good friend. You have to circle them. Yes, we have to what kind of friend you want to have. So it means what qualities should be there in your friend. So those qualities we have to underline. Good qualities, not bad qualities. Only we have to see the good qualities and underline them. Like that I underlined already. Cheerful, funny, short tempered. It means for everything they will become angry. That is short tempered. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಗನೆ ಏನಾಗೋದು ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು. They are called short tempered. Cheerful, always cheering up. Funny means always they will make comedy. Proud, it means they will be proud about somebody. Maybe you should not think that proud means only Nani great, I am the great, so nobody is great in front of me, like that. Not proud. It means proud about your friendship. You may be proud about your good relationship. So proudness also it is one of the good quality we should have, and proudness about our your school classmates, about your teacher. This is one of the good quality, proudness. Then friendly. Yes, you should be friendly. Your friend should be friendly. Loyal. Whatever you tell, he must follow, and whatever he must tell, you should follow. That kind of relationship, it is called a loyal relationship. Okay, honesty should be there in between you. That is, yes, it is underlined. That selfish, only for me, I will not give to anybody. This kind of quality is called selfishness. That should not be there. Okay, then rich. Whether he should be rich or poor, whether he may be rich or whether he may be poor. So you don't worry about that. Rich also maybe he may be your friend, or poor also he may be your friend. Always you should not expect that only rich friend you should have. Okay, so you should not expect that only rich friend I should have, like that you should not expect. So friend may be poor or friend may be rich. So it is also one of the good quality. So you don't, maybe rich in his quality, not only rich in his money, status and other. Okay, then jealousy, pattekichu, that kind of good, is it good nature? No, it is not a good nature. Then patient means hospital patient, not patient means having patience. It is having patience. Yes, it is good quality. So these are all the things you have to underline. So these are all the things I explained to you in my today's class. In my next class I will explain to you other things. Okay, other mains. Until that, take care all of you children. Have a nice day. And update these all the things in your textbook and CW.